Okay, good day everyone. Maayong adlaw and welcome back to my channel. Okay. Today po ipagpapatuloy po natin yung mga problems tungkol po sa application ng linear equations. So tapos na po tayo sa dalawang type of problems, the number relation problems and then the investment problem. So ngayon po may geometry problem po tayo. Okay, so this is also an application of the linear equations in one variable. Okay, suppose we have this problem here. It says that the length of a rectangle is 1 centimeter more than twice the width. The perimeter of the rectangle is 110 centimeter. Now, find the length and width of the rectangle. So, by just reading the problem, we are asked to find the length and the width of the rectangle. Okay. So, let's solve this. Okay, let's start with, we let what? Okay, suppose we let W be the width. Okay, then what else? We let L be the length. Okay. No. Since we let W be the width, go back to the problem. The length of the rectangle is 1 centimeter more than twice the width. The width is W, so 1 centimeter more than. So you have 1 centimeter more than, so plus twice the width. Since our width is W, so twice the width. And that would be our length. Okay? Since we let W be the width, then how to find the length? It says here that the length of a rectangle is 1 centimeter more than. So 1 plus twice the width. So kaduwaon daw si width. So that is why we have 2W. Okay? So we knew, class, that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2W. Correct? That's the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay? Now it says here that the perimeter of the rectangle is 110 centimeter. Okay. So we already knew the value of P, which is 110, correct? And our length L is 1 plus W. Okay, so what are we're going to do now? Okay, let's write the equation using the formula. P is equal to 2L plus 2W. So P is equal to 2L plus 2W. The perimeter of the rectangle is simply equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay? So now, let us just solve. Here, we will substitute the value of our P. P is given, the perimeter, which is 110. Is equal to 2. What is L? L is 1 plus 2W. So you have times 1 plus 2W. Then you copy plus 2W. Okay? So, this is the equation. We will obtain the equation. We will solve the equation. So, padayon ta, no? We have 110 is equal to, distribute 2. 2 times 1, we have 2. 2 times, we just distribute, meaning we multiply. 2 times 2, you have 4. W plus 2W. Okay? So, patuloy tayo. 110. Okay. 4W plus 2W. So, you have 2 plus 6W. So, from here, we can now solve for the value of the W. How do we do that? we just transpose 2 to the left side of the equation. So that becomes 110 minus 2 is equal to 6W. And that is 108 is equal to 6W. Correct? Because 110 minus 2 is 108. Okay. So let's continue. We will solve for W. You have now, we divide both sides by 6. 6W over 6. So it follows that our W is, what is 108 divided 6? That is 18. Okay? So meaning, the width of the rectangle is 18. Because if we need to picture out, if we can draw the rectangle, we don't have space now. So suppose this is the rectangle. So this is W. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. This is the W here. This is the W. And then the width, length niya is 1 plus 2W. Okay, that's the triangle looks like. So now we have obtained W, which is the width, which is 18. We substitute to get the value of our length. Length is equal to 1 plus 2. What is the value of W? 18. So it follows that our length is equal to 1 plus 2 times 18, 36 plus 1, 37. Okay. Okay. So, what does it mean? Now we can conclude, no? Therefore, we could say that the width of the rectangle is 18 centimeter, while the length of the rectangle is 37 centimeter. Okay? You can check that using the perimeter formula, no? If we come up with 110, then our solution is correct. Okay? So now, we can conclude where I'm going to write this one. Therefore, halit na lang space eh. Okay. Ito na lang, tatlong dot. Therefore, meaning nito is therefore. This symbol. Therefore, the width is 18 centimeter. And the length is 37 centimeter. Okay? Okay, I hope you enjoy watching the geometry problem as one of the applications of the linear equations in one variable. Okay, that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Barry Umongo. Salamat po, ug maayong hapon sa tanan.